He doesn't possess the ring IQ, the boxing ring generalship. He doesn't possess the punching ability nor the speed.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.
Magandang araw mga pre, maayong adlaw po sa mga Bisaya diha. Gary Russell Jr., ang kasalukuyang WBC Featherweight Champion, mapapalaban sa ating pambato ngayong linggo na si Mark Magnifico Magsayo para depinsaan ang kanyang titulo. Kilalang magaling at mabilis sa ibabaw ng lona. May kasalukuyang kartada na 31 wins, only 1 defeat, 18 via knockout. Alam natin na ang nag-iisang nagmansya sa malinis niyang kartada ay ang dating pound for pound at 3 division world champion na si Vasily Lomachenko via majority decision. Pero matapos matalo sa isang interview ay sarkastikong sinabi ni Gary Russell Jr. ang tunay na dahilan ng kanyang pagpabigo sa unang pagkakataon sa pro. Sinabi niya na sobrang swerte lang daw nitong si Lomachenko sa araw ng laban nila dahil di daw siya 100% kondisyon sa bakbakan. Dagdag pa niya, di naman daw talaga mabilis itong si Loma. Wala daw skills, wala rin daw ring IQ at wala daw punching ability. Natalo lang daw siya dahil sa nahirapan siya sa timbang nila a day before the fight. Sobra daw siya ng 7 pounds. Ginawa ng kampo nila ay nagbaba daw siya sa sauna ng ilang oras, pabalik-balik para bumaba lang ang timbang. Kaya sa laban nila ay talagang pigang-piga daw siya. Kaya naman matapos ang laban nila ay kating-kati na ulit itong si Gary Russell Jr. na magkaroon sila ng rematch ni Loma. Di lang daw talaga nakalaban ni Lomachenko ang 100% kondisyon na Gary Russell Jr. Ano ang masasabi ninyo sa pahayag ni Gary Russell Jr. mga pre?
I'm saying that he got a gift because he didn't see me at 100%. He doesn't possess the skill set. He doesn't possess the ring IQ, the boxing ring generalship. He doesn't possess the punching ability nor the speed. I had to lose at least like 7 pounds a day before the fight. Wow. And we cut the weight, you know, literally in the sauna. If anyone ever been in the sauna, you know it's like in the sauna. We was in the sauna for 30 minutes, out for 2 minutes. Can't drink no water because you got to lose 7 pounds.
That's right.
Get in the cold shower for about 2 minutes, dry off, back in the sauna again for another 30 minutes, out for 5 minutes, pour a little water on my head, back in there for 20 minutes, out for 5 minutes. You know, this is how we lost the weight. I definitely want him. I don't care if he loses his next 10 fights. Before I finish my career in this sport, he got to see me.
Nice.
Yeah, he definitely got to see me.
Muli nating balikan ang nasabing laban na kung saan unang nadungisan ang malinis na kartada ni Gary Russell Jr.
An inch and a half taller. He really looked like more than that. You ready?
Sa laban, bitbit ni Russell Jr. ang record na 24 wins, 0 loss, 14 via knockout. Habang si Lomachenko naman ay may record na 1 win, 1 loss, 1-2 via knockout. Ang laban ay para sa bakanting WBO World Featherweight title.
Tonight because Lomachenko can get his timing.
And in combinations very effectively. The straight left, throws to the right. He is pushing Gary Russell.
Cannot do that with a guy the pedigree of Lomachenko. You gotta mix in feints in there. You gotta
Of the opening round. And again, Lomachenko catches Russell with a right hook to the chin. That's important for him.
That's what you want to see from Russell.
Lomachenko goes to the body. There's the jab and a left hook. No, that's his viewpoint. Either way, he is far advanced, and that was a beautiful right hook to the body. And to be fair to him, I've heard that World Series of Boxing fighters were told that right now we thought we'd see the battle of the jabs. There's a couple of jabs from Lomachenko. Yeah, very much so. Almost put him down.
Got over the top right there, followed by right hook.
You see the go ahead. No, go ahead, see the edge 10-2 for Lomachenko, and those are solid body punches. Utilizing his footwork, now backing Russell. Final 10 seconds of the third round.
Looks like he's trying there.
Yeah, so he's not used to losing. Ruined due to a hunting accident. By the way, just like George Foreman, so seniors think those kids carry as well. Yeah. And yeah, great hook by Lomachenko, but a nice counter right hand from Russell.
Success in the last couple of rounds, but this round has been all but Vasily Lomachenko.
Counter right in 12 rounds, and we know Lomachenko just went 12 against Salino, 12 ripping to both the body and the head. And while Russell is popping out that piston like jab, Russell is popping out that piston like Lomachenko. He would land this good straight left hand against Russell. And then
The cleanest offense of the fight being landed by Lomachenko this round. He's really landed some solid shots this round.
And now working the body before going upstairs. And it's all Vasily Lomachenko as Russell shells up before countering with the right hook. The round continued after doing great work to the body and the head. He rips that right hook after a straight left hand. And Lomachenko showing a great arsenal. And he sees the body with his left hand, does Vasily. Now in this round, Lomachenko hasn't landed much cleanly. But
There's a stick in the sixth. Lomachenko utilizing his footwork. There's a
Lomachenko to get off on be on the front foot and step on the gas a little bit. A lot of times Russell's off.
thrown by Russell, but none of them connected. Meanwhile, it's Lomachenko.
Got to change the speed on that jab.
Both of them attacking the body. Now Lomachenko going upstairs with that left uppercut. Action picking up here now, under 30 seconds left.
body punch. But later on there, I watched him rip those body punches. And Paulie, he is really throwing those with conviction.
Yep, he's throwing him with conviction, and you see how he's stepping around afterwards. He's also forcing Russell to move out of there as he's clearly making
Lead uppercut.
He gets inside, he steps around, he gets underneath the arms. He's never standing still, even if he's working in the pocket.
Oh, that was a trip by Lomachenko. Ruled not knocked down by Red.
At this point in the fight.
Again, the Ukrainian fighter. And there's Russell. Stiff jab from Lomachenko.
A lot of times Russell's shots are just arm punches.
Another body shot by Lomachenko.
Good body shots by Vasily Lomachenko there.
Under a minute left in the round.
I think he's starting to slow Russell down a bit with the body on the inside.
You know, there's been moments where Russell seems to slow down and look a little bit more fatigued.
Oh, and there Lomachenko is able to land this right hook. That was almost a straight right hand and pushed Gary Russell back. Here it would come again. You see another look at it, and Gary Russell thrown backwards, and
Point where he's starting to look a little bit more fatigued.
Oh, and
shots
there
are gonna
was
start
a massive.
Notice I worked that
oh,
back.
very good point.
Oh, huge with those shots.
Russell's body language clearly a bit more uncomfortable these last couple of rounds.
Now and a right hook connects by
Of what he's doing, and throws in the uppercut as well. He was physically stronger than Gary Russell and was able to land uppercut as well. He was physically stronger than Gary Russell and was able to land.
Final 10 seconds of the 11th round. Exchanging
Lomachenko in his day.
Lomachenko getting on the inside, firing off the combination.
There's also credit though.
That he is likely.
Lactic acid building up his.
So he's used to this as a pro already from his other fight.
Lomachenko's manager quit. The only thing they learned in the Salido fight was how to throw the opponents. Was an amateur champion at 16, but now Lomachenko in the final 15 seconds. Unloading on Russell. Russell misses with the right hook. But they're both swinging. It's Lomachenko imposing his will and skill on Gary Russell Jr. Terrific performance for Lomachenko.
In favor of the winner, and now the WBO featherweight champion of the world, Vasily Lomachenko.
Huwag kalimutang i-like ang ating video at pakipindot na rin ang subscribe button kung ikaw ay bago para umabot na tayo sa 200,000 dito sa munting tahanan ko. Maraming salamat sa panonood at suporta mga pre. As always, amping pirmi.